Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology in medical school. First, understand that physiology builds upon foundational concepts from anatomy and biochemistry. It is vital to grasp the core principles before diving into intricate details. Always ask yourself why a particular physiological event happens, rather than simply memorizing the steps. This approach fosters deeper comprehension and better retention of information, which is essential for long-term success in your medical studies. Next, let's talk about effective learning strategies. Active recall is incredibly powerful. Use flashcards or quiz yourself frequently to test your knowledge. Visual learners will benefit greatly from drawing diagrams and flowcharts to map out complex pathways, such as the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. Furthermore, try explaining difficult concepts aloud to a study partner or even to yourself. This process helps you articulate your understanding and quickly pinpoint areas where your knowledge might be weak. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful for tackling physiology, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation: all that reading for medical school can be tough on the eyes, so why not make it easier? The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading textbooks and notes anywhere, with its glare-free screen. It's a fantastic tool for any medical student. You can find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. When it comes to resources, select one primary textbook and use it consistently. Supplement this with concise review books for quick overviews and consolidation. Many students find video lectures from platforms like Osmosis or Boards and beyond incredibly helpful for visualizing complex processes. Most importantly, practice applying your knowledge by working through clinical vignettes. This helps bridge the gap between theoretical physiology and its practical application in patient care, preparing you for exams and future clinical rotations. For long-term retention, spaced repetition is your best friend. Revisit topics at increasing intervals to solidify them in your memory. Don't just study new material. Regularly review what you've already covered to ensure foundational understanding remains strong. Forming study groups can also be highly beneficial. Discussing challenging concepts with peers often provides new perspectives and helps clarify areas you might be struggling with. Teaching others is also a fantastic way to deepen your own understanding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.